Hello, Professor. This is our team assignment from the group formed by Simran Devani, Luis Alberto Merchan, Jorge Urrego, and myself, Juan Pablo Esquivel. In this report, we will see the purpose of the report, the problem description, followed by the methodology, the forecasting techniques used, the linear programming, the cost volume profit analysis, and finally, the conclusion. The purpose of this report is to provide a comprehensive evaluation and a strategic guidance for Turnsol Canada Limited, a company specialized in sunflower and oil and mash production, to assess and optimize the procurement strategies for raw sunflower seeds, understanding the financial implications and exploring operational efficiencies. Our primary goal is to develop an effective procurement strategy to mitigate the impact of raw material costs on the company's bottom line, while analyzing the current market dynamics and forecasting future trends in sunflower seeds, oil, and mash prices. Also, we aim to study different suppliers, negotiation strategies, and long-term contracting to build a cost-effective and resilient supply chain without sacrificing the quality of the final product of the company. Our outcome is to offer an actionable insights for the senior management of the company to address these challenges while capitalizing on the opportunities presented by the dynamics of the market, aiming for operational excellence and financial success for the company. The problems faced by Turnsol Canada are basically divided in four main categories. The first one is procurement challenges, which relies on forecasting the price fluctuations for raw sunflower seeds and for refined products. On the other hand, managing quality variations from the three primary sunflower seed suppliers, supplier A, supplier B, and supplier C. Second, we have operational efficiency. Right now, the company is working at the 90% of the capacity due to maintenance, which impacts directly into the production volumes. As a third factor, we have the quality control, which we have to ensure a consistent iodine content in the products and varying also the seed qualities. Lastly, we have the cost management and profitability as the fourth problem faced by the company, which can be related to strategizing feedstocks costs while balancing production and focusing on profitability analysis for the upcoming production cycles.
Hello, I'm Simran and I'm going to be presenting the forecast slide for our presentation. And this is the answer to the first question. It covers the sales prices and the purchase prices for our data in order to carry on further analysis and other methods of other methods to answer the question. So to find out the prices, I have taken two methods that I have used are moving average and exponential smoothing methods. As the data is time series, so regression is not applicable. So moving average I have taken for 3 years, and for exponential smoothing the alpha is 0.2. So based on the results, the price were quite near to the previous year, that is year 15, but then I have conducted and mean average deviation to find out the errors between the both the methods and selected the best one that is applicable to the forecast. So based on that, we have find out that exponential smoothing has the highest mean deviation. So we are going further with the prices that we have got with the moving average method, and that purchase price for seeds we have got 456.67. For sales price of oil is 1278.07, and sales price of the mash is around 249.67. So thank you.
We started by conducting a linear programming process aimed at minimizing the cost associated with procuring raw materials. This process allowed us to identify optimal order quantities from each supplier, while ensuring our products meet the highest quality standards. Our approach was informed by a meticulous forecast, with the moving average technique guiding us to the most accurate price projection for raw material purchase. To achieve cost minimization, we developed a specific formulation. This served as a basis for determining the quantities needed to meet our production requirements while keeping expenses in check. Those formulations are at the left of the slide. Now let's take a look at the optimal results based on our formulation. Considering the maximum production capacity of the factory and accounting for non-productive periods, we arrived at the following optimal purchase quantities for the next year. For the supplier A, 19,053 tons. For the supplier B, 26,937 tons. And for the supplier C, 3,258 tons. This combination totals 49,275 tons, representing the factory's maximum capacity. The project cost for raw material procurement with this configuration is $21 million for the upcoming year. In the negotiation with the suppliers, the company have secured the flexibility to set the selling price in the contract for up to 70% of the requirement. This allows for a consistent price even for additional raw material needs. As a result, we recommend the following order quantities at the contract signing to ensure the 70% of the maximum capacity of production. For the supplier C, 30,000. For the supplier B, 18,000. And for the supplier C, 2,300 tons. This value will guarantee 70% of the maximum production capacity, which is 34,493 tons.
Hello, Professor. Good day. My name is Jorge Rego, and I will talk about cost volume. As for the break-even point, we can see in this graphic.
We got three main conclusions. We have noted a significant trend in our pricing dynamics. While estimated selling prices show a decline, our seeds costs remain quite stable. It's crucial for us to closely monitor this, as it directly impacts our operational margin and ultimately our competitiveness in the market. The second one is about negotiation flexibility. Turning to our negotiation strategy, the decision to fix the input price at 70% of production is an strategic move. This flexibility not only shields us from market fluctuations, but also empowers us to swiftly adjust our ordering and production strategies, ensuring adaptability to changing demand. Finally, in the break-even analysis, we have identified critical points where production meets profitability, achieving break-even point at 14,546 tons with 8 million in sales. It marks the turning point where profits begin to materialize. So the company has a great opportunity minimizing the cost of production and reaching the break-even point at, at a low level of their maximum capacity, around 30%, and around 60% of the agreement capacity. Thank you.